suppon atiment oldman, a widoe, lived alon ina uitido ke Natasha. Veri mérite tuo often vortojete, ante usetus milae oteo veatable piled wig breadan jam, en plep I cabo, first tisi de oft samovar, en tenta. Et veritine ovel, until toldmanto qui tinto I tu mariagin. Sautelit plugger geneastet mote. Afteta et veriting changed. No more breadan jam table, no more playing up I cabo arun samovar at girls at interfateat. I toi even vors tenta, because one ve alloetusi ata à l'animor. Stet mote set alit plugger schulda aft, much lesiat breadwijam. Schul trottegger la cruste breadan teller to jet out of tu ango fin somme place tu yatit. Tent stet mote uld si witer usban antelim ta et veritinia ta ovron wat girl fo. Anteoldman belived in uif. So por Natasha uld go be yourself tot shed int yard, wet to dry crust witer tir, en yatit al be yourself. Tench will dir te stet mote yeligna to comme in en wash up te tig, antidit ouz, en brushed floor, encliné very body mudi boot. On det stet mote decided could no birt sight of Natasha on minute longé. But could jet rid of her forgot. Tench remembred persisté, te terrible witch baba yaga, te bon illegedon, who lived in the forest. En a wicked plan begant to formin erid. Te very next morning, te oldman of to pay a visit to some friend of in the next village. As soon as te oldman wa out of sight te wicked stet motecal for Natasha. You are to go to the to missiste, your dear lit clo 1, who live in the forest, such, en asker for aneid le entrea tout man a shirt. Butri aneid le entread, said Natasha, trembling, for shoknet aero 1 wa baba yaga, te witch, anta en ishil who kamir wa nevesi nagin. Old your tongue, se napet stet mote, en chegnash der tête, wish madanoise lik clatrigne tongue. Did I tell you that you are to go to your dear lit clo in the forest to ask for an aid le entrea to man a shirt? Well, then, said Natasha, trembling, oshali fin air? Chea dir ta baba yaga chazed victime troupe in agian mortar en pestle, anta chea diron tête wish chea te children. Stet moteto cold of the lit plugger nose en pinchadit. Tie your nose, she said. Can you feel it? I, whispered poor girl. You must go along tradin to the forest till you come to a fallen tree, said stet mote, then you must turn to your left, and follow your nose and you will find your ointi. No off with you, Lazion. Che choved a kerchief in te girlan, un to wish che a paquet a fait morsel of stal breadan en some scrap of me. Natasha looked back. Turs tout step mote a te dorwiter a rin crossed, glaring air. So che could do nothing but to go straight on. Chevalke a l'ontra trougd forest til che cam toute fallen tree. Ten che tournet toute let. Erno zoasti urting o ert stet mote ad pinchadit, so che kneche a to go on straight ayad. Finally che cam tout of baba yaga, te bon illegedon, te witch. Arun tua aig fans. Wen che puche te gato pentesk ked miserabli, ai fitur te tem to move. Natasha noticed a rustiol quand on te gronde. Oluki, che said. Noticing tat roi sommol let in te camp. En che pourrait te remaining drop off all un tot un jof te gat. Ainsi de te gatoi baba yaga u. It was un lican iote chea de vecine, for it stu donjian en leg en valke à bout yard. A Natasha approchèd, te ouse tournait à roun to face en it se emet à ifron Windows vereillant ifron doramout. A servant baba yaga was standing in the yard. Shewa crying bitterly because of the task Baba Yaga de set her to do, en wa weeping a reasoner peticat. Oh lucky, said Natasha, ta ia va handkerchief. Chantier kerchief, chou kit clean, en carefully put morsel of food in her pocket. Je gave tant kerchief to Baba Yaga servant, who ip des raisonnis tans millet rougertir. Bitua uge dog, veritin, mioing en old bon. Oh lucky, said little girl, ta have sombre dormi. Oyashi bientôt air pocket for her scrap obre dormi, Natasha c'est tout dog, il m'a fait dire à testal, buty bête en noting, il sûr. Hot dog bled tu pas on sans liquidi lip. Natasha riachette d'or toute trembling, je tapais don't d'or. Coming, sked wicked voice of Baba Yaga. Telit te le girl stepedin. Tursat Baba Yaga, te bon il est on, te witch, sitting viving a loom. In a corner of tu at un black cat watching a muzzle. God de to you, oh auntie, said Natasha, trying to soon no a la Fred. God de to you, niece, said Baba Yaga. Mistet moté assemble to you to ask for an aid le entrée à tout blanc à shirt. No. Smiled Baba Yaga, flashing et rire en tête, for chekne homu cher siste à teider stepedoke. You see donnera te loom, en go on wit me viving, willy go of shoot need le entréade. Telit te le girl ça te donne à te loom en begant tout vive. Baba Yaga with prêt to her servant, listen to me. Mac te bat very autant scrub minis. Scrub air clean. Il m'a qu'à d'intimel offert, he will. Servant camine forte ju tout gâté te batoite. Natasha said, I beg you, please be not kicking making te fear, en please carry the water for te bati nassive with all, so that water will run through. Servant said nothing. But indeed, cheto caveri lonti ma bouge et tigne te batterie a dit. Baba Yaga cam tout window en said in her so a test voice, are you viving, lit plenis? Are you viving, me pretty? I am viving, oh auntie, said Natasha. When Baba Yaga away from the window, the little girl spoke tout un black cat who watching at muzzle. What are you doing? Watching for a moose, said un black cat. I have la dans I dîner in trade. Oh lucky, said Natasha, ta I have some cheuselet. En chega vers cheuse tout un black cat, who goblet ditup. Said cat, little girl, do you want to get out of her? Oh, cat qu'un dire, said Natasha, oh you want to get out of her. For if ta Baba Yaga will try to yat mo with her en tête. Tai exactly wash un to do, said cat. Buick no to help you. Just ten Baba Yaga cam to the window. Are you viving, little plenis? Chasked. Are you viving, me pretty? I am viving, oh auntie, said Natasha, working away, with the loom click-tic-clack, click-tic-clack. Baba Yaga wow tagin. With prête un black cat to Natasha, tria condont stoulant tria to elbrook for your bat. You must take 10 bot, en run for it will Baba Yaga is in te battles. Baba Yaga will chase after you. When she do, you must trot to elblin you, en it will turn to a big, oui derivé. It will take her a little plotim to jet oveta. When she jet te rivé, you must trot comblin you. Te combrouille sprou pinto sucha forest tache will veget trou guital. Buchelir te loom stop, said Natasha, en shelk no I have gone. Don't worry, il take care of ta, said un black cat. Te cat talk Natasha place at loom. Click-tic-clac, click-tic-clac, te loom ne ve stopped for a moment. Natasha Lukatus ta Baba Yaga was yin te batuz, antench jumped out of the u. The big dog hip tup to tirer to piece. Juste un wagouin to spring on air so who chewa. Oui, tit lit plugger who gave me te bread on me, said dog. A good journey to you, lit plugger la, en ledon witty it between hippo. Je pétais dit dans scratched d'hier. When je cam toute gâte tête open quietly, we to making en inoasa al, because of the oil she had poured into serringe before. Ten, oche did run. M'envaille le tetin black cat sata teloum. Clic-tic-clac, sans teloum, biyun vaisseau suchat angle of yarn at tangle mad bitat un black cat. Prostly Baba Yaga cam to the window. Are you viving, lit plenis? Chasked in aig pitched voice. Are you viving, me pretty? I am viving, oh auntie, said un black cat, tanguigne en tanguigne te yarn, with loom clic-tic-clac. Ta not voice of milite clodine, said Baba Yaga, anche jumped un tot u, gnashing riron tête. Te rate lou moano lit plugger la, buton lit un black cat, tanguigne en tanguigne te trade. Grrr. Said Baba Yaga, anche jumped at cat. We didn't you scratch te lit te le girl layout? Te cat curlet du pitaillant archedi back. In alt year I have served you have given only water en mad me informe dîner. Te girl gave me alcheuse. Baba Yaga wa enraged. Je grabais te cat en chouker. Turning toute servant girl en gripping herbie à collar. Je croaked. We did you tac solon tout prépare te bat? Ah. Tremblait servant, in alt year I served you have neve so much given me venarag, but girl gave ma pretty kerchief. Baba Yaga cursed erangage daout un tot yard. C'est un te gat with open, cheriqued, gat. We didn't use coquel chopeneu? Ah. Cette gat, in alt year veuve served you neve so much asprit incled a drop of all on us. En the cool hardly stand sound of round cracking, but girl oled du sans the can no swing back en fortuit to a sound. Baba Yaga slamet gat closed. Spinning around, je pointed der long fingue at dog. You. Shoulred, we didn't you tirer to piece when she ran out of the house? Ah. Said dog, in alt year I served you neve trem anything but en old bon crust, but girl gave me all me en bread. Baba Yaga rush d'about yard, cursing en eating temal, will screaming at top of her voice. Tench jumped into en mortar. Beating at mortar with en pestle to make it go faste, cheflet un tot en qui click closed in on te flin Natasha. Forte, on te grune farayad, chesoun spiet girl running a tree, stumbling, en fearfully looking over shoulder. Yule ne ve escape me. Baba Yaga logued a terrible loganst red air flying mortar straight de noir tovart girl. Natasha war running fast étanche a deveren before. Soon she could dire Baba Yaga mortar bumping on te grune blair. Desperately, je remembered un black cave en traite toel blair on te grund. Te toel gré big en wete, en sounadip, bradrive stood between te lit plugger en Baba Yaga. Natasha tournait en rang. Oh, rang. When Baba Yaga riachète edge of te rive, je scramed lou détend et entrer peste le honte grund, à chaque neige coule d'un fli en enchanted rive. In a rage, je flais back to ru on en leg. Torche gatored al erco androve tem tout rive. Drink, je scramed à tem, en te codrancu pal te rive toute last drop. Tem Baba Yaga oedinto en mortar en flé ove to dry bed of te rive tout pur suer prêt. Natacha Adrenon quitte à distance Ayad, en infact, Chetumchemite, à last, Befree of the terrible Baba Yaga. Buterir Frozen Terror Wench saute Dark Figurine Tusky Spiding Tovar Eragin. Tit en forme. Despered. Tench su dans l'Irmembered ou Atekata de Sedabout Combe. Natacha traite combe 1R, Ante Congrès Big en Itet Sprouté du Pinto Attic Forest, Sautic Tano Even Baba Yaga Cool Forcer Wetrug. En Baba Yaga Twitch, Tebon Illegedon, Gnashing Ertet en Scramming Ouitrage en Disaoui Inteme, Finali Turner Round Androva Webback to Erlit Teluon en leg. Tired, Girl Finali Arrived Bacom. Chewa Afred to go incide en serment Stepmoté, so instead Cheweted ou Zidin te shed. Wench so erfate pas bicheran out to him. Ou rave you been? Crié erfate. En oui your face so red? Stepmoté tourne yellow wench so to girl, en R igloed, en R tête gruneto gt a-t-il te broc. Bunatacha Oano Afred, en choutou erfate en clin bedon ikni en tol dim et verity juste à ita d'apene. Went oldman lirnetat stekmote a 200 idoke to biaten bi Baba Yaga, te witch. Oiseau en gris tal drover out of tu en neve laser returne. From tenon, tocode carof idoke en self en neve agin les astrangers comme between them. Ove à table piladi guidbre adanjam, fate en doke ou dagin plep I cabo back en forte from bezinte samovar, ante tuo of them livet da pili et vft.